Brapo Clock, welcome to the build series ya RTR. So chenye tunafanya hapa, nimefanya the second soak na vinegar again, another 5 liters. The first one I did with a 5 liters. Results were good, but I did a 60-hour soak with the first batch. Naona vile imeng'ara hata huku hivi. Rust ilikuwa really thick. Si satisfactory yet. Nimeongeza another 5 liters. Then we see how it goes, but again this time the residue see mob. Last time even after the wash the residue was really thick, and after rinsing I didn't do it properly, so there was a bit of rusting kwa hizo pits kidogo tu, but nili neutralize na vinegar, then ika dry again. See vinegar I mean baking soda, then ika dry again. So today ina kapoa, liquid ikaimbaya sana. Let's see if it can show up. Tuone. Yep, hivi ndio inakaa. Hivyo. Hiyo yote ni rust. So, officially mimi daktari wa kutu. Then nionyeshe how kutoa kutu. Hivi ndio kutu inatolewa. Nisisikie mtu akicomplain online ati amepigwa na kutu. Get some vinegar. Osha hiyo kutu. Okay? Usisikie kutu. Aha. Kuiweka kwa sani inasaidia ku keep the temperatures high. Hiyo vinegar inakuwa aggressive against the rust. Shaking inafanya concentration ina remain equal na ina touch all places. Like for example right now place nime notice sikuwa nimeosha vizuri ni around this area hapa juu. Nimetoa a lot of gunk, but that one I had to do it manually with a brush. Naona hata bado inatoka. So areas kama hii so kule ndo vinegar inafanya job. This is hii. So no. But this is how good ina break down, like inakuwa mchanga kabisa. So huku hivi kwa edges maliwezi ingiza kidole. The other thing I'll do during the rinse, nitaipiga na high pressure to flush out hiyo residue huku kwa edges. On this area kulikuwa na enye ilibaki, ilikuwa really deep, but hii shaking imesaidia. Nili add 2 small pebbles in the tank, inasaidia kuwa corrosive. Si unajua the action of erosion, like especially when rivers zina move na residue in it, results yake. So when I'm shaking like this, hizo 2 small rocks zina scratch the surface, inatoa kutu in the process. You can use nuts. The other time nilitumia pegs na some few nuts. This time nimeweka some nuts, nimeweka some 2 pebbles na pegs. So hizo places siwezi fika during shaking, mawe inakufanyia the thing. This second soak location ni 2 wheel customs, tuipatia few tena. And then at some moment uneka trankis ika hivi, ndio area iko affected. At some point naisimamisha, niliweka on this position so that each and every corner ikue touched. Nilikuwa nimeweka hivi. There's a time nilikuwa nimeweka bottle over here. I believe I've done a good job. After this we'll be doing a rinse, but the rinse gets me looking like a drug dealer. I got some product over here. By that I used cloves. The vinegar ni cloves pia 4%, but my research ilikuwa me recommend 5%, but either way I had to use chenye ilikuwa available. I believe cloves wame come through. Nimechukua baking soda. We'll be testing this product. I got some white powder over here. When it comes to baking soda, I didn't research kama zinakuja na strengths different, so nilichukua hii nikachukua hiyo cloves. Niliona tu ziko na difference ya bei, and maybe it's due to branding. Like these are the OGs, they've been here. Pia they are OGs from their own. They're a big brand, so sijui kama these things ziko na strength, recommend. But after kumwaga hiyo, the tank will still be acidic, so it's not advisable kuitumia hivyo. I'm supposed to neutralize the acid, so nitatumia baking soda. Sawa, El Chapo me, but I'm a licensed drug dealer either way, so DCI, don't come after me. The government knows I'm a drug dealer. I'm paid to give out these kind of drugs, the legal ones though. So I get my baking soda, getting me feeling like El Chapo. Yes, can come through for you. You sniffer dogs out there, need some money? Yeah. So after this, we'll be doing this. Last time I did with 4 packets. I didn't like the results. It took quite long for it to neutralize the acid. Part of the reason my drying was off because I got impatient. Had to do some shortcuts here and there because life had to go on. So today we'll do it right. Nimechukua extra, take first in kidogo. So during the wash tuende tusafishe hii kitu. Tujue rada ni gani. Tuvalishe the baby e-tank. The objective is to get the bike ready for Ubuntu. Yeah, we are supposed to give it some lights. We are supposed to fix the brake. We are supposed to get to know if the magneto is intact. So my guy, some work karibu ina go down. It's just the beginning.